Hey, welcome to this AnyRig IKFK tutorial. So drag and drop to install it, so you will have it here. So let's start creating our first IKFK snap. So first we need to select all the controls. Let's go for the FK, this is the left arm. So FK, top, middle, and the lower one. Let's change to IK. So the IK handle is going to be here. And where's the pole vector? I think the pole vector here, we need to activate here the visibility, pole vector here. And the last one is we need to select the switch control. So let's select the attribute and add it here. Make sure. So let's see, FK is 1. So FK is 1 and it goes from 0 to 1. So 0 to 1. So that's correct. So then we need to check that the FK pose and the IK pose are the same for this limb. So let's change. If you see here, there's an offset. There is an offset to weight. So we need to make sure it's exactly the same or as much as possible. In this rig, it's not the case because I just moved this, but default this pose is the same. So let's make sure that there's no offset and the pose is exactly the same. And then we hit this button here. We don't need to select anything. It will take the controls from here. So save the pose and that's it. Then we're gonna start trying how it works. So FK to IK, yeah, it's working good. Let's see from IK to FK. Yeah, that's perfect. So we need to do the same process for all the limbs, but for that we have a tool here. It's called copy and replace. Let's open this. Oh, let's go for the, so we need to copy from the left arm to the right arm, left arm to right arm, and let's change this L for an R probably. So let's copy. You will see that everything changed here. Let's make sure that the pose is the same. Is this arm? Oh no, sorry. Is this arm? Yeah, pose is matching. So save. And we have the other arm working as well. Yeah. So let's do the same for the legs. So when we have everything set up and working, all the limbs working, we can go and create our standalone script. So let's click here. Let's call it IKFK. Save it. We have it here. Let's drag and drop the standalone script into the script editor and run it. So what we get is our standalone script that is completely independent from the original script here. So everything is baked into the script. So we don't need the original script anymore. All the offsets, all the rotation orders, everything is baked in here. So we don't need this anymore. Let's see how it works. First, you can select a namespace, just select a contour. In this case, there is no namespace. The cool thing about it is that you have a current selected button here. So if you select this one, you don't need to say, hey, just do the IKFK switch for the right arm, left arm. You can do it like automatically. So let's do it. FK to IK. Yeah, it works perfect. Same here. Let's try it. IKFK. Yeah. Let's see this one. IK FK. Yeah, that's correct. So everything's working good. let's take a look to this other example. We have an animation here. Let's select this control, is in IK, so let's go for an FK. So let's try a batch convert, so from 131 to 221, that's correct. All the frame range, you can select just a part of it or one frame if you want to do it like in one frame, but let's do it in everything. So FK to IK, let's run. So here we go, yeah. That's it. So we see here, now it's in IK. And we can try to see how good is the snap or not. So let's go back to FK. Yeah, so basically the standalone script is complete independent from the original script, and everything is baked inside the script for this specific rig. All the controls, all the names, all the offsets, all the rotation orders, everything is here for this specific rig. So yeah, thanks for watching.